Hey guys, here's an unboxing of the WH-1000XM4 from Sony, their newest headphones. I don't know if I would say these are better than the Bose. I've had the Bose sound quiet link ones. Forgot what they're called, but I believe that they are more. I feel like they're more soundproof than these are, but these are pretty good. But if I had to pick one over the other, I would pick the Bose speakers, headphone speakers. But anyways, here you see the unboxing. When you open it up, it has instructions there. Comes with a hard case, which I like. And it has the QR code to get the app. So the setup to these headphones is on an app that I will show you in just a bit. So as you see, as soon as you unzip the hard case here, the headphones are in there along with its USB plug to charge them. And these are Bluetooth capable, or you can also add the attachment to the headphone, like an auxiliary cord. And you can use either one, as you see there in my hand. So these are soundproof. But like I said, I like the Bose better. I tried both of them, and the Bose headphones, I like the quality. See the inside of this earpiece here? I feel like these are a little bit cheaper looking and feeling than the Bose were. But that's just my opinion. I have tried both. These, you know what they are? Like a lighter version of the Bose, if that explains it better for you. So I do like how it has the Velcro in there in the case. So here's the, you go to Sony.com here, and it heads you over to the app, and the setup begins. It looks like this, called Sony Headphones Connect by Sony Corporation app. And that's what the icon looks like. So as soon as you install it there, it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to hook up these headphones. They're Bluetooth, so they can connect to any one of your electronic devices. And these are the different images that you get after the settings are being handled step by step. Right here is the message that you get when it's either connected or not connected. And then it'll let you know here, as you follow the steps on the app, if you have it connected, the activity, the latest software for your headphones, if it's been released or not, so that you can update them. So let me know if you've tried these headphones. Let me know what your experience is. Don't forget to subscribe. Please tell your friends.